Hi everyone, this is Nora from SINOMADA. Today we are at BOBCAT factory. We are diving into one of the most versatile compact machine in the industry, the BOBCAT S18 skid steer loader. Whether you are in construction, landscaping, or agriculture, this little powerhouse is designed to track big jobs. Let's break down why the S18 stands out. First, its advantages are compact size and massive performance. The S18 weighs is 26,700 kg, but it delivers a 49 horsepower turbocharged diesel engine. Its narrow weight of just 1.6 meters, but don't let it size fool you. It boasts a 858 kg release operating capacity and can lift over 3.8 meters high. The S18's universal quick dash system lets you switch from a bucket to an auger, pallet form, or even a snowblower in a second. For the operator comfort, BOBCAT nailed it. The sealed ISO certificate can reduce noise to just 76 dB. That's quieter than a vacuum cleaner. The padded air-ride seat and intuitive controls, including optional joystick steering, making long shifts fatigue-free. And check out the LED lighting package for the nighttime strobe, brighter and more energy efficient than ever.